damaged all throughout this area.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the...
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one got smacked right in this left rear quarter panel here. I'm gonna scribe my final cut points. So this one is good and ready to weld together. So before I prime this, I'm gonna tape off where the window urethane goes. So I'll have to put epoxy primer down on that area. So this is the lift gate for that Toyota RAV4 that I just primed up, and it gets seam sealer all the way around where the outer skin of this panel folds around the shell. It has to be sealed up, so I'm going to scuff it up, then tape it off and lay out a nice bead of seam sealer all the way around. Now the stuff I'm using is called 3M Easy Sand. It's actually made as a plastic bumper cover repair or any type of plastic repair, but they also promote it for seam sealer, and it's self-leveling. So all the brush strokes actually smooth out and it levels out on its own. You just have to make sure you pull the tape before it dries, otherwise it will mess up your seam sealer. It'll pull it all loose. I have a bumper cover here for a Honda Accord damaged all throughout this area. Some of the plastic, this is bulged out right here. Another bulge out right here. I gotta straighten out this plastic, and then I'll fix all the scratches and gouges. So what I'm gonna use here is a heat gun, a wet towel, and I'm gonna use this dolly to push with, but you could use the butt of a screwdriver or whatever you wanna use. But I'm gonna heat up this plastic. I use this towel to cool it, and it helps lock everything in place. Now this is Adhesion Promoter. You have to put down on the raw plastic before you put primer down, otherwise it won't stick. You can see here, these are two little spots. I put a little bit of plastic fill in and finish those out. I'm gonna prime this up here in a second. So this is the epoxy primer that I'm going to put down here where the window urethane goes.